Welcome back to our channel. We appreciate your support. Today's video is on financial literacy. In today's world, financial literacy is a vital skill to possess, regardless of your age or profession. Whether you are a student, a young professional starting your career, or a retiree, understanding personal finance concepts and managing your money is crucial to building a strong financial foundation. In this video, we will explore the basics of financial literacy, including earning and managing money, budgeting, saving, and investing. Before we dive into the specifics of financial literacy, please take a quick moment to like and subscribe to our channel right now. Now, let's first discuss what personal finance really means. Personal finance is the management of money by individuals or households. It includes a range of financial activities, such as budgeting, saving, investing, and paying off debt. One of the most important personal finance concepts is budgeting, which involves planning and allocating your income to various expenses and financial goals. Now that we have a basic understanding of personal finance, let's discuss earning money. Earning money is the first step toward financial stability. There are several ways to earn money, including working a full-time or part-time job, freelancing, starting a business, or investing. Consider starting a side hustle. This is a part-time job or gig that you can do in addition to your full-time job to earn a second stream of income. By earning extra income, you can increase your savings and invest more money for the future. No matter how you earn money, it is essential to have a steady stream of income to support your financial goals. Once you have earned money, the next step is to manage it effectively. Managing money involves creating a budget, tracking your expenses, and saving for future expenses and financial goals. A budget is a financial plan that helps you allocate your income to various expenses and goals. It is essential to create a realistic budget that accounts for all your expenses, including rent or mortgage payments, groceries, utilities, transportation, entertainment, and savings. Saving money is an essential component of financial literacy and building a strong financial foundation. It is the process of consistently putting aside a portion of your income for future use, such as emergency funds, retirement, or major purchases. Saving money is not just about setting aside money for the future, it's also about creating a habit of conscious and intentional spending. Saving and investing your money is the only way you have to overcome the horrible effects of inflation. Inflation causes the actual value and buying power of your cash reserves to erode over time. Saving and investing enable you to preserve the buying power of your cash assets. Here are some specific tips to help you save money. First, set savings goals for yourself. Setting savings goals can help you stay motivated and focused on your financial objectives. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, a vacation, or an emergency fund, having a specific target in mind can help you stay on track. Second, automate your savings. This is a simple and effective way to save money without even thinking about it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account, and watch your savings grow over time. You can also automate your retirement savings by setting up contributions to your employer-sponsored retirement plan, such as a 401k or 403b. Look for a high-yield savings account. This is a type of savings account that typically offers higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. By using a high-yield savings account, you can earn more interest on your savings, which can help your money grow faster over time. Third, remember that reducing your expenses is another way to save money. Look for ways to cut back on unnecessary expenses, such as eating out, subscription services, or luxury purchases. Consider switching to a more affordable cell phone plan, shopping for cheaper insurance rates, or buying generic brands instead of name brands. By reducing your expenses, you can free up more money to save or invest for the future. Fourth, coupons and discounts can be an easy way to save money on everyday purchases. Look for coupons online or in newspapers, and consider joining loyalty programs or subscription services that offer discounts. Be careful not to let coupons or discounts tempt you into buying things you don't need, though, as this can end up costing you more money in the long run. Saving money is a crucial aspect of financial literacy and building a strong financial foundation. By setting savings goals, creating a budget, automating your savings, reducing your expenses, using coupons and discounts, using a high-yield savings account, and starting a side hustle, you can save more money and achieve your financial goals. Remember to stay disciplined and consistent in your savings habits, and your financial future will be brighter. Paying off debt is also a critical step toward building a strong financial foundation. Debt can be a significant obstacle to achieving financial stability, as it can accrue interest and become increasingly difficult to pay off over time. If you have outstanding debt, it is essential to create a debt repayment plan that prioritizes high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, and makes consistent payments until the debt is paid off. Investing is the process of putting your money into assets with the goal of earning a return on your investment. Investing can be an excellent way to grow your wealth over time and achieve your long-term financial goals, such as retirement or purchasing a home. Here are some tips to help you understand investing. 1. Start with a plan. Before investing, it's essential to create a plan that outlines your goals and objectives. Your investment plan should consider your risk tolerance, investment horizon, and financial situation. This will help you determine how much money to invest and in what types of assets. 2. Understand the different types of investments. There are several types of investments available, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, real estate, and commodities. Each type of investment has its own risks and rewards, and it's essential to understand them before investing your money. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is a crucial aspect of successful investing. By diversifying your portfolio, you can reduce your overall risk and potentially increase your returns. Consider investing in a mix of different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, as well as different industries and geographic regions. 4. Consider your investment timeline. Your investment timeline is the amount of time you plan to hold your investments. It's essential to consider your investment timeline when choosing your investments. If you have a long-term investment horizon, you may be able to take on more risk and invest in higher-risk assets, such as stocks. However, if you have a shorter investment horizon, you may want to focus on more conservative investments, such as bonds. 5. Research your investments. Before investing in any asset, it's important to do your research. This includes analyzing the company or fund's financial statements, management team, and competitive landscape. Additionally, consider consulting with a financial advisor to get professional advice on your investments. 6. Monitor your investments. Once you have invested your money, it's essential to monitor your investments regularly. Keep track of your portfolio's performance, and make adjustments as needed to ensure you are still on track to meet your goals. 7. Stay disciplined. Investing can be volatile, and it's easy to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. However, it's essential to stay disciplined and stick to your long-term investment plan. 8. Consider the tax implications. Finally, it's essential to consider the tax implications of your investments. Certain types of investments, such as stocks and mutual funds, may be subject to capital gains taxes. Consider consulting with a tax professional to determine the best investment strategy for your specific tax situation. Holding your investments for over 1 year will enable you to pay tax on your investment earnings at the dramatically lower long-term capital gains tax rate. Investing can be an excellent way to grow your wealth over time and achieve your long-term financial goals and overcome the devastating effects of inflation. By starting with a plan, understanding the different types of investments, diversifying your portfolio, considering your investment timeline, researching your investments, monitoring your investments, staying disciplined, and considering tax implications, you can become a successful investor. Remember, investing requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective, so stay committed to your plan and enjoy your journey toward financial success and wealth. Financial literacy is a vital skill that everyone should possess, regardless of their age or profession. Understanding personal finance concepts, earning and managing money, and building a strong financial foundation are each crucial skills to help you achieve financial stability and achieving your financial goals. By creating a budget, saving money, paying off debt, and investing for the future, you can build a strong financial foundation and achieve financial success. Remember to educate yourself on personal finance concepts and strategies to expand your knowledge and skills and achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has helped you understand the basics of financial literacy for beginners. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.